So this is an unboxing from Hatchette, or Hatchette Book Group, who does distribution for a number of publishers. Actually not publishers, but okay, so there's a couple books in this box. The first one is called Marshmallows by Rowboat Watkins. So let's take a look at that. It's a picture book about marshmallows, where they go to marshmallow school. I don't think I've ever seen a marshmallow picture book before, but they are very popular. So it's kind of a whimsical, beautifully illustrated. He is very talented. Kind of about a anthropomorphic marshmallows. So that is super fun. Okay, the next book is Ruby's Sword, and that's by Jacqueline Veissid, illustrated by Paola, Zakimi. It looks like a sword that she has created. And this will be popular with my son because he also likes to play with swords. He actually carves them out of wood. So about a girl chasing after her brothers and playing with sticks. Oh great, I have a stick post about playing with sticks, and I'll add it to that. Oh, this is fun. It's really great for spring. Oh, and the last book. Oh, this is great. I've heard about this one. One is a Pinata, a book of numbers. And so this is part of that series. What is it? Green is as a chili pepper. And I think there's another one as well by Roseanne, Greenfield, Thong, and illustrated by Parra. And I was like really fortunate to meet Parra at the last Coily conference, and he just sat down at our table. And was just like super friendly, just like the nicest guy. So yeah, so this is a chronicle book. Beautiful illustrations and numbers with Spanish words. Let's see what the numbers go up to. Does it go up to 10 or higher? So just a great way to learn about, I think it's probably Mexican culture and numbers and Spanish words. And glossary in the back, as well as, nope, just 2-page glossary. Great, this is a nice addition to the series, and I'll add that to my Hispanic Heritage Month post. All right, thank you for watching.